So, so what exactly are we trying to build into this class? I'm trying to build a weather app. So, for instance, if I search for Lagos and I click on search, you should be able to see Lagos right here. So, can you see Lagos is what 32 degrees Celsius? Then the humidity is what 58%. Wind speed is what 2.67 meter per second. Also, if I search for Benin, Benin is what and click on enter, you go able to see what 36 minutes to what 36 degrees. Then humidity is 28%. See the wind speed, just 1.04 meter per second. That should show you that this place is not conducive for living. So if you check Abuja also, see this is 33. This is actually lower. It's lower now. 33. 3 degrees Celsius is a lot. No, no, it's a lot. So yeah. So let us search for Zaria. 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 Which is okay, good. Imagine Zaria is even much more cooler than Benin. It's true now. This is a let's check Kano and let us see. Imagine this period. No. The thing about the north is that the north is always extreme. It's like when you are coming to like December period, Harmattan, and that's why I say that it snows in just. Yes. So when it gets to that particular time, instead of them to have Harmattan, they start having like their temperature starts dropping. But when it is like it is very, very intense, so I start going up also. So it's just something. Let us check Kaduna. So as you can see, I searched for check it out. I searched for Kaduna with a double N. Second valid name, but if I say Kaduna, as you can see, I work. As you can see, it was beneath the hottest. Yeah, just 10 years. You people, this place. so yeah, this is how it is. Then let us check other places. Let's check places like I want to look for. Let's check Jos. So Jos should be cooler. Yeah, cooler. 30 degrees. Of course, you can check London. This is where I live. Understand? No, that's not where you live. You live in you live in so 11 degrees Celsius, as you can see. So let's check for Canada. As you can see, so we have Canada. Canada. Should have what 12 Celsius. Then you also check Saudi. That is your Arabia. Arabia is cool this period. Wow. That would be very cool. So Jerry, so as you can see, this is how it is. This is how you understand. So how did I implement this? I use an API called Open Weather API. Now, what is Open Weather API? Open Weather API is like a global API for collecting weather all around the world. So their API is almost always accurate. You understand? You can also check for Google Weather. Google Weather also has its own API. Can use Google Weather. Now, I'm challenging you to try and after we do this, I'm challenging you to go ahead and use other APIs to implement your weather application. Don't just stick to what you do. And if possible, also add pictures. Now, what am I saying about pictures? As this thing is 5 degrees Celsius now, you should see like a cloud. If it is over 25 degrees Celsius, you should see sun. Yes, yes, man. Actually, that is easy. All you have to do is add 2 images. When the value of this is below 25 degrees Celsius, you have You understand? You can use conditional statement for it, so it is easy, very easy. I'm actually doing the hard part for you now. Doing the hard part. So of course, it's kind of not every time I'm looking at assignment. Not every time. Is it every time? No. Thank you very much. He has answered. He has answered. Yes, now. Is it every time I give out assignment? Wait, what do you expect? Your final grade has to be for. What did I give you? Weather. That was how one final student from computer science then, but went to do weather application as final project. No, no, your final project should be solving problems. Solving any problem. It's not solving any problem. Hmm? So you now remember, okay, whether Mr. Paul's weather application got transferred or this is not solving any problem. That's simple. Like a lot of problems are except you are trying to like include something different. Something different, like so for instance, you want your weather app to do something different from other weather applications. That's when it's solving problem. It's like saying that even the cards they are trying to create also. It's not exactly solving any problem, but at least it is giving you more functionality on how you can solve more problems. But this one now, you are literally just doing what has been done already. Try to like implement certain things. That's how you solve problems. That's why doing this as a final year project, I feel like, and as a computer science student, they should be the person. Honestly, they should be the person. Yes. I know, no, no. I'm not saying. I say somebody did something like this as final. So it's not. It's not. Me. You know the funny thing about me, I will always teach you. You get, but you will show me that you understand what I'm teaching you. That's the simple truth. If you choose that's the thing. Teaching is not a good thing. It's better if you not come to class than you come and deceive me. You understand? It's better if you not come to class at all. But if you're in class and you understand, you show me you understand. That's how it is. That's how I was. Although nobody trained me like this in programming, but at some point I had mentors also that they will give me tasks to do this, that, and if I say I understand, I can't do it. If I can't do it, that's problem. Because they asked me, do you understand? And I implemented the same password. You can implement the same password. Yes, no, that's it. Your part is actually very easy. Why I'm saying this is because I'm not interested in you. I'm not interested in using user state management. Management meaning that even if you refresh, so for instance, what am I saying? So they won't be able to use this. So for instance, if you add something to your cart, yes, if you add something to your cart now, if you add something to your cart now and you try to refresh, right? It should still be showing eight. That okay, you have 8 items in your cart. You need to refresh it. But no, I don't want you to even be like that. Don't go that far. If you refresh, your cart will automatically disappear. You don't need to worry about state management or having to use local storage or local session. You don't need that. What I just want you to do for for, for the okay, yeah, nice. What did you use it for? So that they are logged in. So nice one. So, but I'm not expecting you to use that for this. You can try and use it as you want. But what I just want you to do is that whenever you click on cart, take you to the cart page. It's the product in the cart page. And then you can buy. Once you click on buy now, it will show you like a mock payment. Mock payment means that payments that is not real. That's why I said if you tell that this, I showed you how to implement their mock API. So they are not actually implementing real-time payments. No. So I implement it if you want. Your choice. But what I want is mock payments for now. If you can understand mock payments, then see, I know that okay, you have an idea of how you can integrate this data. The idea is just for you to do something. That's the idea. Now, if you've done it, now the reason why I'm saying that you don't have to use that design because every of you, this thing should not be the same. Your UI should not be the same. There's a reason why they call it personal project. When I'm saying you cooperate in class, we not cooperate. Science, yes, science, personal project. I've been seeing everybody. I will give you tasks on Fridays. Cooperate. Nobody will cooperate. It's not you want to cooperate today. All right, so let us continue, please. Can you switch state on the condition? Each and every operator. Each and you will give each operator. How many operators you want to have? You want to have plus, minus, multiplication, division, right? And equal to. For every operator that you want to have, you give them functionality and statement or a switch statement. I think you should use switch statement. I'm going to advise you to use switch statement. Switch case. If your first case is forgotten switch statement, I'm not explaining it again. Okay, switch case. So if the case is plus, that's addition. What do you want? You want to give it a functionality that's okay. I want to add numbers together. Do you understand? Similarly, minus, same thing. You're not writing English, you don't think you're writing minus. That's in English. Let me show you, let me just give you an example of what I'm saying. I think I have calculator here. I doubt I have calculator here. I don't have. I've deleted. Hmm? Oh, wait, let me just check it out. Because I don't keep those this thing again. Let me just check. It's here. Say thank God. Okay. I don't think it's here. Okay, it's here. Index of here. So 2023. Let's check it out. No. So now look at this. As you can see, so case C is what? That means I want to clear text. So that you know that C on calculators to clear text. And this one is what? Delete text. That's back to delete text. You understand? Then we also have what? Case equals to. So if we have equals to, what do you want? We want to what? Evaluate everything or subtract everything or multiply everything. This eval is saying that what? Whatever operator you have, right? You want to like perform an arithmetic operation on it. So if you have 2 plus 2 equals, once you click on equals to give you what? 4. So it's now what's displaying our text. Now this is basically everything on this calculator. Hmm? 1 minute. That's what I'm saying. This thing is different. You can use your own calculator and it works. So guys, addition, subtraction. In your case, just like I said, because why did I use this eval function, this eval method here? So to evaluate it, it will automatically know sign that you're talking about. Is it plus? Is it minus? Is it multiplication? It automatically know. Then again, depends on what you want. This is a basic calculator. Let me show you. This is a very basic calculator that does not really have anything. Okay. I did not. I should even delete it now. Sir. But let me post it and let me show you. So I won't delete it. I won't delete it. Now look at it. If I say 1, that's what I'm saying, plus 2, right? If I click on equal to, this equal to that I'm giving what? Eval. Sorry, let me stop. See, people are not allowing me